Hey folks, here's a question we get in our South Carolina personal injury cases like car, motorcycle, and trucking accidents or slip or trip and fall accidents. How long does it take to get a settlement check? Don't worry, you're not being greedy. Seriously injured folks need settlements to get back on their feet financially. And the short answer to your question is it depends, because getting the settlement check is the last part of a longer process. I'm just going to talk to you about getting the settlement check. But first, there's 4 critical things you need to know. Number 1, insurance companies pay settlements. They are heartless. Their job is to get you to take less money than you should get. Number 2, you've got to prove why you should get a settlement. That means proving the wrongdoer is legally liable. That means gathering the right evidence and presenting it the right way. Number 3, you've got to prove the amount you should get in a settlement. That means a professional evaluation of your case based on the facts, the evidence, the law, and other factors. Number 4, if your case involves an injury to your child or a wrongful death case, it's a completely different process because you've got to go to court to have a hearing where you've got to convince a judge to approve the settlement before anyone gets a penny. We handle that process in different videos and in different places on our website. All this is hard. That's why you need an experienced injury attorney. And now for the process to get your settlement check. So we've reached a settlement agreement. The first thing we do is get the settlement documents from opposing counsel or the adjuster. We make sure the settlement documents are done right. Before you sign them, I go over the documents with you so you understand all the legalese. When we get the settlement check, we deposit it in our trust account. That account is designed to safeguard your money until we can give you a check. Meanwhile, if you've got medical providers or health insurance that's got to be repaid, we negotiate reductions in the repayments. Then we handle the repayments for you. And that's not just a service to you, it gives you some extra legal protection against a medical provider or health insurance company that could sue you if you don't pay them back. Once we've got all that arranged, we are ready to give you your check. When you get your check, you get a settlement statement showing you all the money that came into your settlement and where it all went, so you'll know for sure. The whole process generally takes 14 to 30 days after we reach an agreement. And the reason why it takes that long or sometimes even longer is we've got to manage a lot of moving parts at the very end between getting the settlement documents from the adjuster or opposing counsel, of course, getting the check from them, negotiating those reductions with health insurance or medical providers, and it can just take a while for us to do that. But rest assured, we move as fast as possible to get your case behind you so you can move on. And folks, if you're seriously injured, you can't afford to mess this up. Get some legal help. This is your one chance to do your case right. I'm not going to pressure you to hire me. Just call me so I can answer your questions. I'll look forward to hearing from you, and I thank you for listening to this and thinking about it with me.